Did you know your website's colors could be driving away 8% of your users? That's right. Color blindness affects 300 million people worldwide, and they might be struggling with your site right now. Here's the tea. Most websites make three major color mistakes. First, they rely solely on color to convey information. If your error messages are just red text or your charts only use colors to differentiate data, colorblind users are completely lost. Second mistake, poor contrast ratios. That trendy light gray text on white background? Basically invisible to many people. WCAG guidelines require a 4.5 to 1 contrast ratio for normal text, but so many sites ignore this. The third big mistake is using problematic color combinations. Red-green is the worst offender since it's the most common type of color blindness. When you use these colors for success, error states, millions of users can't tell the difference. The fixes are actually super simple. Always pair colors with other visual cues like icons, patterns, or text labels. Use a contrast checker tool to verify your text is readable. And create an accessible color palette that works for everyone. My favorite trick? View your website in grayscale. If you can still understand everything, you're on the right track. Making these changes doesn't just help colorblind users, it improves usability for everyone. One company saw form completion rates jump 12% after fixing their color contrast issues. Don't exclude potential customers over something so fixable. Color accessibility isn't just nice to have. It's essential for reaching your entire audience.